Check this out, guys. One of my viewers has messaged me about a method that he tried out from one of my older videos that's using this very clever traffic trick to make money with CPA marketing, and he was able to make over $218 just for setting this method up, and was also kind enough to allow me to use this proof in the video. So Alec, if you're watching this, thanks for letting me use this. And also guys, this method I'm going to show you in today's video is very easy to set up, requires zero investment, zero skills, no experience whatsoever, and you don't even have to have your own website. But because this method is not going to be making you money every single day, it's not going to be working for you on complete autopilot, nothing like that. This is like a very easy method that you can use one time to make a couple of $100 and then leave it alone. What I do myself is just set up this method every now and then to test this out if it still works, because if you're going to do this too often, it's not going to be making you any money at all. So if you're going to follow this method and try it out, just get your laptops out, set it up once, see how much money it's going to make you, and also make sure to bookmark this video with a reminder for a couple of months to test it out again. So it's going to make you a couple of $100 every now and then as a side hustle. So before we move to the step-by-step instructions, I would highly appreciate if you guys would just hit the like button under this video and subscribe to this channel, and also make sure to leave a comment down below in the comment section to help me with the YouTube algorithm to spread this video to as many people as possible. Just hit the like, subscribe, comment down below, and I would greatly appreciate it. And now just let's get started. First of all, head over to cpagroup.com, and what you want to do here is sign up for your free account if you don't have one already. I keep using CPA Group a lot of my CPA videos, so there's very high chance you already have an account right here. But for all the new people out there, what you want to do is go to this register section, and once you're going to come to this sign up form, all you have to do here is just go through this as you would on any other website, fill in all your personal information in this field right here. And as you can see right here, this field is marked by an asterisk, so it's a required field. If you don't have Skype or don't want to type in your Skype name, pretty much you can rewrite this into something like, for example, Instagram or any other social network that you may want to use, and type in the handle of that social network. It's going to work very well. And then what you need to pay attention to is in this publisher type, you need to select website/incent or GPT for the publisher type, because that way you will get your account approved instantly. Then just go ahead and fill in your email address, choose a very strong password, and then just tick all three of these boxes right here. Then just simply click on register now and you will get your account. Once you finish that, you want to log right into it, and once you log into your account, you want to go to this toolbar on the left and go to monetization tools and click on URL/file lockers. Pretty much the way this is going to work is we are going to lock something behind a URL locker, and every time somebody wants to go to that URL, they will have to complete a very simple CPA action, and every time they do that, you're going to get paid. So first of all, what you want to do is click on create new URL locker right here, go through these terms of service, and if you agree to all of these terms, you want to click on agree to terms of service, obviously, then move to the continue button, and now you get to create your locker. Pretty much to make this work, you need something that you're going to lock behind this locker, and for that what you want to do is simply go to YouTube and you want to search for something that people may be actually interested in watching. So you can go with something like this, for example, top 10 mysteries of the world, or you can go with something like sold by 4chan, or pretty much something from these suggestions that's going to draw a lot of attention. So pretty much let's go for example with top 10 mysteries solved by 4chan. I'm just going to search through these videos, and as you can see right here, you will get a bunch of results that are showing you videos of mysteries that have been actually sold by 4chan. So pretty much you just want to scroll through these search results and you want to pick one that you like to go with, and what you want to do is make sure you're going to pick video with very catching thumbnail. So for example, you can see right here in this thumbnail, this person is injecting something glowing from the injection into their veins, and it's, in my opinion, something that I would like to see what it's about. So I'm just going to use this video as a demonstrational purpose. So what you want to do once you find a video that you want to go with is just pretty much right click on it and you want to copy link address. Then you just want to go to Google and search for YouTube thumbnail grabber. What you want to do is go to one of these websites that's going to grab the thumbnail of the video for you. For example, I like using this one at the top, so I'm just going to go to the site and paste the URL to the video in there and hit enter. As you can see right here, you get to download this thumbnail in many different resolutions, and what you want to do is go for the biggest one without the black borders. As you can see right here, some of these will have this black border around it. What I recommend you do is scroll all the way down here and you should find exactly this thumbnail without the black borders, the exact thumbnail but without these borders around it. So just go ahead and right click on it and save it to your computer. Once you're going to save it, what you want to actually do is look at the thumbnail and consider what you could add there to make it a little bit more clickbaity, a little bit more interesting to watch. And for example, right now while recording this video, I have come up with a very clever word that I'm going to add to this thumbnail to make it 10 times more interesting. So for that, just simply go to canva.com, and once you're going to go to Canva, go to the search bar and you want to type in there YouTube thumbnail. Hit search, and pretty much what you want to do is you want to select a blank YouTube thumbnail template, because we are obviously not going to be creating anything from scratch. We are going to just modify the one that we have grabbed from the video. And once you're going to load up your Canva, and once you're going to load up the blank Canva template, what you want to do is just place the thumbnail in there and make sure you're going to stretch it all across this canvas, because this template is designed to fit the exact dimensions of the YouTube thumbnail, so you want to fill the entire space. Now looking at this template, what I'm going to do is just pretty much add one simple text box in there, and I'm going to type in there something like superpowers and place it somewhere where it's going to be very visible. So I'm just going to place it like this. So this arrow is going to be pointing superpowers to this glowy mystery substance that this person is injected into their arms. And what I'm going to try to replicate is the effect that this video is going to show you if superpowers are real. Pretty much if you're going to be doing something like this, what you want to make sure is that you're going to find a thumbnail that you can recreate into something like this. You can see these YouTube search results for mystery animals. All of them have this red arrow pointing to some specific place in the thumbnail, or you can just pretty much use this red circle, but the entire point of doing this is making the thumbnail as clickbaity as possible. I myself don't like using one of these thumbnails that already has this circle or arrow on it, because it has been created by somebody else, and most times I don't feel like it's very good enough. So I'm just going to grab a thumbnail that doesn't have one of these arrows or circles. For example, these two animals fighting right here. For example, if I were to go with this thumbnail, I would add a red circle right between these animals and add in there a very catchy phrase, something like which one of these will survive, or something like that. So once you're going to create a thumbnail like this, what you want to do is go to this share button and save it to your computer as a PNG. Click on download and save it, and what you want to do then is just stay on Canva, because we need to do one more thing here. Once you're going to save the thumbnail as it is, what you want to do is go to this elements toolbar and you want to search for play button. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is pick one of these buttons that's going to resemble a YouTube play button and place it on your canvas and position it right in the middle. As you can see, this is overlapping with my superpowers caption, so I'm just going to right click on it, go to layers, bring it in the front, and I'm also going to change its color because it's not very visible, so I'm just going to make it something like this, for example. Once you finish this, what you want to do is go ahead and save this to your computer as well, and then go to Google and you want to search for Google Sites. Go to Google Sites, and pretty much what you want to do here is just select create blank site from scratch, and we are going to create a very simple landing page on Google Sites, so you don't have to go paying for any hosting and nothing like that. All you have to do here is just upload the image you have created on Canva, but make sure you're going to upload the one with the play button in it. Upload it to Google Sites, position it something like this, and what you want to do is add a text box right below it, and in there you want to type something like banned video, proof that superpowers may be real, top 10 mystery solved by Fortune. Pretty much you want to make a title that's going to be as clickbaity as you can possibly make it, and then what you want to do is go ahead and make it larger and pretty much make it more visible. To do that, I'm just going to increase its size to, for example, 24, and I'm going to make it bold as well, underscore it, position it in the middle, just like that. And I just decided I want this title to be at the tab above the image that I have created, so I'm just going to position it in there, and then just place another text box right below the video, and there I'm going to type something like watch the full video now, click here. Then what you want to do is go back to the YouTube search, and you want to grab the link to the video one more time and make sure you're going to get the video that you have gotten your thumbnail from, because we actually want to send people to this video once they are going to complete the CPA locker. So just go ahead and copy its link one more time, then go back to CPA Group, and now you want to create your content locker. Pretty much just go to this template section, and you can choose from all of these various templates that you can see right here. And for methods just like this, I'm going with this human verification window, because this is something that's going to imply that whoever wants to watch the video needs to complete the human verification first. So I'm just going to select a template just like this, And now you can also customize it. If you want, you can rewrite this section into something like complete a survey below to continue to the full video, but pretty much because it's self-explanatory as it is, I'm going to leave it just like that. And what I'm going to do is make sure I'm going to paste the link to the video into this locked URL section. That way, every time somebody's going to complete a survey, you will get paid money and they will be taken to the actual video that they want to watch, and that's how we want to achieve here. What I also recommend that you do, and this is one of the tricks that I keep doing myself with CPA lockers just like this, is make sure this access time is going to be set to the lowest amount of time as possible, like 1 hour, because for example, if somebody is going to come to this site, they are going to complete a survey, they will be taken to the YouTube video, and if they want to watch it again in a couple of hours, they will need to complete the survey again, and that way you can get paid multiple times from single person. Once you're going to do that, I'm just going to customize this anchor text into something like, after completion, you will be taken to the full video URL. Pretty much this is all you need to do on CPA Grip. Now you want to just click on save and your CPA locker gets created. Pretty much what you want to do then is just go to the section where it says get links, and you want to grab yourself a link to the CPA locker. And also what I highly recommend is that you don't go with this default URL that you're going to be provided with, because it's very overused and some of the websites are not happy when they see this URL. For that reason, go to these domain options and select one that's not at the top, something like this one right here, which is used way less because it's not at the top of the list. And once you're going to do that, just click on copy link, then go back to your Google landing site, and what you want to do here is make sure you're going to embed this sentence with the CPA locker. To do that, just select the sentence, click on this link button and paste it in there, click on apply, and as you can see right here, this is now a clickable button. What you want to also do is make sure you're going to select this entire sentence one more time and also select a different color. If you're going to go to colors and select this one right here, it's going to look a lot more like a clickable link that you can find on other websites, and people are going to be clicking on it that much more likely. What I also recommend is that you're going to select this image that you created on Canva and also embed it with the CPA locker just like that, because that way whoever's going to want to watch this video and they don't want to click on this sentence down here, they will definitely click on this play button on the video, and that way they are going to get to the locker as well. So pretty much this is all you need to do on Google Sites. Now you need to just publish your site, choose a domain for it, something like this for example, click on publish, and it's going to look something like this. Now you just want to grab the link to this site and you want to go to YouTube one more time, and pretty much you want to click on the create button and you want to select go live. If you're going to do this method for the very first time, you may want to request the permission from YouTube to go live, and that's going to take 24 hours to actually be able to do. So what you want to do is go to YouTube, request your permission to go live right now while you're watching this video, because that way you can start doing this method tomorrow and there's pretty much no way to go around this. So for that reason, just go ahead and request your access for live streaming. Once you're going to come to this part, what you want to do is actually select later date. You don't want to be streaming this right now, you want to select a later date, then just click on start, and then pretty much you can choose from a built-in webcam or streaming software. Now, because you will not actually be streaming anything, you are just going to be using this live stream to get traffic before it even goes live. What you want to do is select either one of these. For example, let's go with this streaming software right here. And then what you want to do is go to this part where it says schedule stream. Click on that, and pretty much all you have to do is just fill in a bunch of these fields as if you were uploading a YouTube video or creating a live stream in the future. So pretty much what I'm going to do is go back to my Google site and I'm going to copy this entire part with the title in it and paste it as a video title in here. Then in this description, what I'm going to write is pretty much one simple sentence that's going to be, to watch the full video right now, click here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to bit.ly and I'm going to grab the shortened version of the link to my Google landing site. So I'm just going to click on copy, go back to YouTube, paste it in there just like that. And also keep in mind, guys, you may have to do some additional verification, because if your account is brand new or you didn't complete all the verification steps, you may be actually asked to provide a short, like 30-second video of your face or something like that to prove you are not a bot, you are actually a human, to be able to post links like this in the video description. Once you're going to go that, just pretty much scroll all the way down here and you want to select a thumbnail for this live stream, and that's the reason why we have created two of these on Canva, because right now you want to upload the one without the play button in it. So just upload the thumbnail in there. What you want to do then is just scroll the audience section and you may want and you want to select no, it's not made for kids, because YouTube is very strict about content that gets promoted to children, so you don't want to be promoting this to children. That way you will be able to tap into much larger traffic source without any restrictions, and that's what you're looking for in here. So just select it's not made for children, click on show more, and you want to scroll to this tags section. What you want to do here is just fill in a bunch of tags that are going to make this video, this live stream, rank in the YouTube algorithm, so it's going to be pushed to people. And to do that, what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called rapidtags.io. What you want to do is just select use tool for free, and this website will generate the most relevant quality hashtags for you, so you can just copy and paste them to your YouTube stream. So I'm just going to write in there something like this, for example, proof that superpowers may be real, top 10 mysteries solved by 4chan. What I did here was pretty much salvage something from the title of this video right here. I just left out this banned video because I don't want to be really ranking this on the banned word, but what I want there is keywords based on this title that's going to say proof that superpowers may be real, top 10 mysteries solved by 4chan. Once you do that, just click on this search button, and it's going to find the most relevant tags for you. And if you're not happy with the tags that this website has provided, what you can do is just pretty much keep clicking on the search button until it's going to provide you with the tags that you're happy with. Once you find a set of hashtags you want to use, just click on copy, go back to the YouTube live stream and paste them in there, just like that. And to get the most amount of top tier traffic, what you can also do is just select stream language, make it English United States, and stream location you want to also set to United States as well. Click on that, and this is pretty much all you need to do on YouTube right now. All you want to do then is just click on next, and you want to make it public and schedule it up to 2 weeks from the day you are going to be doing this. So because I'm recording this on 24th of July, I'm just going to skip 2 weeks, so that's 1 week, and 2 weeks will be 7th of August, so I'm just going to schedule it on that and just click on done. Now because this live stream has been scheduled for up to 2 weeks from the day that you have set this up, you have created a very clickbaity thumbnail with a very clickbaity title, put in the relevant hashtags, and made it public. This is going to get sorted in the YouTube algorithm, and it's going to start drawing traffic. Now every time somebody is going to want to see this, they will actually want to see the video first if they possibly can, and because you have provided that option in the form of this link, they are going to click on it. They will be taken to your Google landing site, and if they are going to click on either of the play button or this clickable sentence, they will be taken to the CPA locker, which they are going to complete because they want to see the video. And after they do that, they will be taken to the actual video URL, and you are going to get paid. So keep in mind, guys, this is not going to be working for you every single day. You don't want to oversaturate this method for your account. What you want to actually do is just go ahead and set this up every now and then, every couple of months, make a couple $100 with it, and then just leave the method be. So that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this method. Now if you did, make sure to hit that like button if you haven't already. And now if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here, which is specifically cherry picked by YouTube itself for you. Click on that, and I'm going to see you there.